Hi, it's Miniature Model Wall back. Now I've decided to say this Matilda's finished in the build, apart from put a bit of weathering on it when I do the base. Now I'm not going to do the base now, it's too cold outside. Got my binoculars sitting on the front there for the commander. I've painted the figures, I did it all off camera, apart from a bit of spraying I think I did, but I've decided to put it to one side in the cabinet on this bit of block, and with the binoculars and the three figures, so that I can go out and actually have a slightly bigger one and build it up slightly so I can have a nameplate on the side, and that's what I want to do. So this is as she is now. This is not going to be a long video, and I'm going to make a shot. I'm waiting for Greg to finish his big diode, because he's got a really big diode. I'm going to be doing a vignette, but I want it slightly wider than this, and you'll see why in a minute. And so it comes round. I'm really happy with it. I've got it flat coated as well, so a better one. And I used this one, Mr. Colour UV Cut, which is there. Really good varnish. I've thinned it down and it works perfectly. Just light coat, let it dry, and it was really good. And I got it everywhere, so I'm happy with that. So that's that bit. Right, now if I move that over slightly, these are the figures. Now they're not brilliant, but I think they look okay. I might just have to do a little bit more shading around where the eyes are, but I because the figure's so small, I might just do a sort of very small bit of painting on the eyes. I put the coffee in the cup. I used Micro Crystal Clear with a bit of brown paint, and I think it's got a shine to it. That's where you see a bit there, so it has got a bit of shine to it, so it's liquid, so that's okay. So they're more or less done. I most probably will do a bit of a wash when they go onto the base, and I've done the badge as best as I could, and I think that's okay. Just gives it a bit of it anyway. So that's that one. Then there's the commander. There he is, and he's okay. I've obviously done the badge again, and of course I won't worry about the eyes, but the binoculars will go on there eventually, but I've got to do some. I might even put that in there later on, so it's done on that, so I can't lose them. But I did drill the front of the hole, so I can put a bit of crystal clear in there. Just leave that crystal clear without no coffee stain, so it just looks clear on the front of the thing. And I might give a bit of a wash over the belt in round the waist on all the figures. The other one is that one leaning on something. I didn't do too bad with him, I think, and they've got a bit of hair on them where it comes down in places. You can't see it there, but yeah. So same thing, a bit more of a wash around the figure when it goes to the base. So, and he's going to be leaning on a drum, an oil drum of some sort, and I'm going to have an old rusty one that was just been left laying around, and he's just leaning on it. But or something in similar to that. I did try I might be able to get him to lean on the vehicle, which I thought was my original idea, which is like this. But you've got to have a bit of sand. You've got to have a low place for him to do it, to make it look more convincing. Because it looks odd like this where he's just doing that, because he would have his elbows on something, and that's the old object. I don't know whether I can do him up here. No, too much. So there's ways and means around getting rid of him. Either that or one use the figure. But where's the hole? There it is. So that's it. So if I put that there, and the old tea maker. I like the idea with a cup of tea, I must admit. So there it is. There's the three figures. If I bring them in a bit further, bring that in a bit more. They've all been done, and apart from, as I say, washes that to fit in with the vehicle. I'm quite pleased with the figures, considering that's only my second time. The first time was when I did my jumbo tank, and the Sherman jumbo, and I did the figures of that, and I was quite happy with those and all. So did have another box come, so I've got another box of these figures, and I put the other set of three into that as well. So yeah. Shame that figure was in a different pose, but you never know. So that's it anyway, basically. So this you will get I will do a Matilda update later on, but this will be the final reveal of the Matilda, and then at some point I will put, it's still part of the Remembrance build, and I will still have the same title, and I will just shove that in there as a final reveal with it sitting on the base. But I am quite happy with that. I think it's come out quite nice, in my opinion, but quite happy. I still haven't glued that on yet, but it sits in there nice and snug anyway. So there you go. Right, so thank you very much for watching, and that's the end of this. The end. It's the final reveal of the Matilda, but not the final reveal of the actual vignette. And that's what I should put on the video as well, and that'll be later. Right, thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy modelling and stay safe out there.